fixtures that like drag and drop, which will make our work very, very easier instead of searching for inserts, like you said yesterday. Then we talked about our guided assignments, yes, where we have an hotel which they have a problem with how to maximize their revenue and their how to manage their bookings. So they had an issue and they reached out to Datafy Technology in order to help them solve their problem. And this problem is based on three things. We have the guest demographics, we have the booking patterns, and also we have the operational efficiencies. So yesterday we delved into this problem by looking for a way to find a solution to it. But before then, how do we find a solution to all this problem? Number one, we have to understand the context. So once we understand the context, once we are able to understand the problems, that means we already have a lead about how to solve that problem, because a problem that we are yet to identify the cause of that problem, definitely there won't be a solution to it. So at first we have to understand the context, then we identify the key stakeholders. Like in an hotel, we have various posts with their various functions. So we have to identify the key holders that will enable us to understand the problem better, starting from the executives, the manager, the sales and marketing, the front desk officer, even the chef. They also, in order to sorry please, in order to identify this problem, we have to consult those personnel because they will give us an insight into what we are looking for. So after that, we now we need to ask the right question. So that is where critical thinking comes in. In order to ask the right question, we ask, for example, the executive, like we ask questions based on their revenue because their own objective is to maximize revenue. But the managers, they are in charge of the day-to-day activities. Like how can we maximize this revenue by putting up with different activities to make sure everything went well in the company, let's say the hotel. Then we have the sales and marketing. These people are in charge of the advertisement. If the company has an advertisement, maybe online advertisement, and we have to ask them on what channel is the advertisement being based on. We have to ask them on what metrics, or how do we calculate or to know the metrics they use in the advertisement, how they generated more impressions. Maybe we have more impressions, and this impression, does it lead to a very good outcome? That is lead generation. Like, okay, because the last stage is the conversion stage. We have 5 stages, I think, but I forgotten. But the last stage is the conversion stage. We have the impression. Then at what stage does this customer back off? Is there anything in their content during the advertisement? Do they need to perform A/B testing and the likes? We ask them. We ask the chef, okay, which type of food does this customers ordered frequently? Is there any preference on the various food we have? All those questions need to be asked. So in after doing that, that means we already know where we are going, because failure to ask the right question, we won't be able to get the right data set. So in order to get the right data set, we need to ask the right question. Then once the data set now comes in, our own work is to analyze and and give them an informed decision and explain to the stakeholders, this is what is happening, this is where the company goes wrong, by not generating a good amount of revenue. This is what you people need to do, and the likes. That's our own work. And I think that's all I could remember.
Please, can you guys give Akin a round of applause? Can I see a round of applause emoji? Please, 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 please. I'm not seeing. Obiageri, you people did not hear Akin. Victoria, Queensley, you did not hear Akin. Like Akin is thinking like a business analyst already. I don't know. He's thinking like a business analyst already, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad. All right, Victoria Obiageri has joined us. Welcome, madam. How are you doing? Thank you for coming late. We appreciate you. Madam Obiageri? Obiageri? Hello? Can she hear me?
Oh, I'm in transit right now. I can only hear like I'm told.
Oh, you're on transit. I can see that new people joined us. Jewel. I didn't see Jewel yesterday. Hello, Jewel. Can you hear me? Hello, Jewel. Can you unmute? Inusa Jewel.
Yeah, good evening, madam. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good evening. My name is Miss Delight, and I'm so glad to see you. What's your name and what's your hobby?
Okay, my name is Joel Inusa.
Okay.
Yeah. What else did you ask? My hobby.
Your hobby, yes.
Swimming and playing golf. That's all. That's the two things I love.
Wow, I love that too. Welcome. Oh, please, can we turn on our video today, please? I was told that it's a must for us to turn on our video. Obiageri is on transit. Akin, can you turn on your video? Victoria does not have lights.
Already turned on, but there's no light, so I'm using lamp.
Oh no, Jesu. Hello, Jesu. Okay, Jesu, can you hear me?
Hello.
Jesu, how are you doing? Good evening.
I'm doing good evening.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Oh, that's great. Queensley, how are you? Hello, Queensley. Can you hear me? Oh, Queensley is on transit too. All right, let's start. So yesterday we learned a lot, and if you listen to Akin, you would have known that this class is already turned into a business problem class, and that is how it's going to be until the end of Power BI section. And you don't want to miss. Oh, Jesse does not have lights. No problem. So we've learned a lot yesterday. We went from what Power BI is. We talked about the overview of Power BI. We talked about how to analyze a business problem before even asking for data set from the company. So which means before you ask a data set from a company, there are some processes that you have to do. There are some things that you have to do before you ask for data set. So you don't just dive in and say, oh, you have a problem, or yeah, give me your data set. No, it's not like that. There are some things that you have to do. So today we'll be covering, please give me a minute. Let me open the Google Class, so that I will check. Please, how many of you watched the video? Please, how many of you watched the video? Jesu, great. Jesu,
sorry,
who else?
The modules.
The modules. Akin watched the video. Yes. Yeah. I dropped in the group chat that today we'll be covering modules 6 to 8.
Oh, jeez.
No, what happened? It seems you were busy today.
No, not that I'm busy. At the moment, I'm not even close to where I'll be able to do that. But I promise before this time next week, I should be able to go through all of the videos. I promise.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
That would be great, please, so that you follow along. All right.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay, guys, give me a minute before I start sharing my screen. All right. Okay. You can see my screen, right? Please give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. A thumbs up. Akin can see my screen. Who else? Queensley, Jesu. Who else? Chemaria. Is that all? Okay, Ojua, you can see my screen. Okay, beautiful. All right, so give me a minute. All right, so today we'll be talking about getting started with Power BI. We'll be talking about the data types in Power BI, and we'll be talking about understanding data types in Power BI. And you guys know how my class used to be. It's very interactive, and that's why I send those videos to you people, so that you'll be able to go through it and be active in the class. And the ones that you don't understand, we will be able to trash it in the class today. All right. So for the first one, getting started with Power BI. So we are going to learn about Power BI interface. All right. We are going to learn about Power BI interface. So please, if you have your system with you, can you open Power BI, please? Open your Power BI. Please, if you've opened your Power BI, give me a thumbs up so that I will know. If you've opened your Power BI, give me a thumbs up. All right. So none of you have opened your Power BI. Can you guys hear me at all? Can you hear me? Good. So I'm waiting. Maybe in 1 or 2 minutes, you should be able to open your Power BI. Please, if you're not with your system here, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're not with your system. If you're not with your system here, give me a thumbs up. If your system is not with you, give me a thumbs up. Akin, no system. Who else? Victoria, Queensley. Okay. So that means the others have their system on. All right, great. Joel, that is 4 now. So just so you have your system with you. Obiageri, you have your system with you. Chemere, you have your system with you, right? Hello, can you guys answer me? Hello? Jesu. It's loading. Okay. Obiageri, do you have your system with you? Obiageli? Not talking. Chemere? Chemere, hello? Ochemere has left. Okay. Obiageli, can you hear me? Obiageli, Chemere, Jesu, Joel, and Akin. Okay. Joel, you raise your hand. Okay, I will when I get some, all right? Hello, Joel, you raise your hand. You can speak. Unmute and speak. Hello?
Okay,
Hello?
sorry. Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, sorry.
Yes.
I wanted to respond to the thumbs up and I mistakenly pressed that.
Okay. All right. No problem. So you guys can see what are you seeing? On my screen, what are you seeing? Power BI, right? What are you seeing? Oh God, can we talk? What are you seeing on my screen?
Okay, I think.
Please, you guys should not allow me to be shouting now. It's not fair for a lady. I'm a lady now. Kilo shele. I'm a lady. Why will I be shouting like a mad person? People that in my cover will be like, what is wrong with that lady? What is wrong with her? Why is she shouting? It's me, never me.
We are not seeing Power BI. That's it. Sorry.
But are you seeing Power BI now? I see Power BI now.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. So today, like I said, we are going to be learning about the interface of Power BI. So if you check here, remember that yesterday we talked about data sources, right? If you remember, let me see your thumbs up. If you remember, yesterday we talked about data sources. Great. Now you can see some of the data sources here. OneLake catalog, Excel workbook, SQL server. You can also get a sample data. Yes, Power BI has sample data. Okay. You can also get data from other sources. So right now, we want to use a blank report to study the interface of Power BI. And I click. Great. Now, welcome to the interface of Power BI. Before we start, I would love you guys to do a little task. You can do it now, or you can do it when you have your system with you. Try to create a separate folder where you can be saving your dashboard and other assignments that Datafy will be giving to you. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Give me a thumbs up. Like have a folder, okay? A folder where you can be saving your dashboard, you can be saving your data sets, you can be saving any other assignment. Understood? Great. That Datafy gives to you. It helps you to be organized, all right? So now, guys, let's go. So the first interface we are going to study today is the title bar. Now look at it. There's this place they wrote Untitled Power BI. Did you see the title bar? Please, if you see the title bar where they write Untitled Power BI, let me see your thumbs up. Let me see your thumbs up, please, if you see it. Great. So this is the title bar. And what is in this bar? The first one is Untitled Power BI. Now, the reason why you are seeing Untitled is because I've not imported any work and I've not saved any work. But if I save this work I'm going to be doing now, it's going to be changed to, it's going to change from Untitled to any other thing that you save it to. All right. If you understand, give me a thumbs up. If you understand what I mean, good. Queensley, beautiful. So in the title bar, we still have the search button. Okay. And we also have, you see, I have an account with Power BI, because if you don't have an account with Power BI, you cannot go to Power BI service. So I have an account, and that's why you're seeing my icon and my account name here. So now, if you, I don't know, any of you before this course, how many of you have an idea of computer, like you did computer appreciation? How many of you before this course? Jesu, who else? Akin. Only Jesu and Akin. Okay. Now, in computer, there is something called tabs and there is something called ribbons. Okay. Now, in this Power BI, you can see this home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. They are called tabs. So you can also call them menu, all right? So we have the home tab or the home menu. But before that, please, there is an icon here. This is the save icon. So when you're done with your work and you want to save, if you don't want to go through files, start going to save, okay? You can just easily go to this icon, save icon, and save your work. Chicken, do you understand that? Give me a thumbs up. is like an easy icon. Great. An easy icon where you can just click and save your work. Good. Now, you can have in normal system, Excel, Google Sheet, you have the, you want to go back to the work you've done, or you want to move forward, whichever one. These are the icons that you can use. Now, we have the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Modeling tab, or you call them menu, the View tab, the Optimize tab, and the Help tab. Now, we've known that there are 6 tabs in Power BI desktop. Now, this is a desktop. Notice that yesterday we talked about the components of Power BI. We say one is desktop. We talked about service. We talked about mobile. But today, this is Power BI desktop. It's like the Windows of Power BI desktop. So now what we are studying is the interface of Power BI desktop. Great. So now let's go to Home. Now under Home, these things that you see under Home are called the ribbons. The Get Data is under Home tab. The Excel workbook, the One Lake Catalog, SQL Server, the Interdata, Dataface, Recent Sources, Transform Data, they are under Home tab. Please, if you understand this, let me see your thumbs up. They are under Home tab. So if someone tells you, please click on the Home tab, you understand what the person is talking about. Click on the Home tab, you understand it. So great. Now, this is the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, we have different ribbons under the Insert tab. You can see the new page, the new visuals. We have the more visuals, key influencers, the composition tree, just like is in Excel or Google Sheets, where you can just insert maybe table, insert visuals. So these ribbons are under Insert tab. All right. Now we move to our modeling. But wait. If you guys watch the video, you're meant to be the one to teach this to me, right? Thumbs up if you agree with me. If you watch the video, beautiful, Jesus. Oh, Akin, I did not see your thumbs down. I didn't see it. I only see Jesus thumbs up. Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us invite Jesus to take us on this interface. So I'm going to be clap for him. I'm going to be turning off my presentation. Good. Jesus is going to turn on his so that he will take us on this. So the places that Jesus cannot do, I will enter and will finalize. All right. So I'm not presenting again. Jesus, please help us present. Thank you so much. Because you guys watched the video. Okay? It's okay, right? Give me a thumbs up if what I said is right. Give me a thumbs up if what I said is right. And no thumbs up. Hello. Hello, everyone. No thumbs up again. What is happening? Jesus, are you not handling it again? What is happening? All right. All right, let me continue. Okay, let's continue. So, guys, the field I've said, you guys, you're understanding it, right? Let me see your thumbs up. You're understanding what I'm saying. Great. Akin, Queensley, Inuzo. Jesse, you not understand what I've been saying. Obiageli, good. Now, let's talk about modeling. Now, you can see the ribbons under modeling, but I'm sorry, some of my ribbons are shaded. I think I'll fix that later, but you can see new table where you can create new table, new parameters. That is when you want to add parameters for visuals, okay, like a DAX expression. You can see language, linguistic schema. You will know all of this as we proceed. Now we have the view tab. Now under the view tab, you have the themes. Now what does this theme help you do? Let me, if I bring it down, you can see that Those are colors that you can pick for your visuals. You know, most people don't know how to choose colors. If you agree with me, let me see your thumbs up. Some people don't know how to mix colors. Like, they don't know, they don't have an idea. Some people, when you see their color combination, you will shout Jesus. That is your first one. You just shout Jesus. What is it? So, oh, I can say like me. So Power BI has made it so easy for you. You can come here and you can choose the color that you deem fit. And if you feel that these colors are not really okay for you, you can still go down. When you go down, give me a minute. Good. Now, when you go down, you can browse for themes. Power BI gives you the opportunity to browse for themes. So when you click on this browse for themes, you will see other dashboards that creators they've produced. Okay, so you can just click on one and immediately the team will just bring it in for you, and you can use it for your own report. Okay, now we have the theme gallery. We have customized current theme. Most of you that love designs, you love, you know, doing your own theme, bringing in your own colors. Okay, Power BI has also given you the opportunity to do that by using customized current theme. So this one is theme gallery. It's going to take me to a lot of galleries where you can see different styles of themes that you can pick. So then we have the customized theme. You can see the customized theme is going to open. Great. So when you click, I'm going to hide this. So when you click here and you're not interested in this color, you can go to color picker. Please write it down because you will need it in your other reports. Maybe you want, please. I heard something. Who raised their hand? Hello? There's a beep. Hello? Can you speak up? Can you speak up? Please give me a thumbs up if you are following me. Give me a thumbs up if you are following me. This class is dull today and I'm not liking it. Give me a thumbs up if you are following me. Kilo day. Great. So you can see the color. You can come here, go to color picker. Your Chrome or your Chrome or your normal web, and type color picker. So when you type color picker, it's going to take you to a website where you can pick colors. You just get their hex number. This is the hex number, and you can just copy and paste it here, and the color will automatically come up. If you understand me, let me see your thumbs up. If you understand what I mean. You don't understand? Okay. Now let's try it out. Let's try it out. Wait. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Okay. Go to color picker.
I can't see you, man.
Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
I can see it. I can see it.
Drew, you're not seeing my screen.
Not at all.
Drew, can you? If you're going to see my screen, Drew, can you check from your end? Maybe it's network.
Let me, maybe I guess I've touched something. I don't know. Let me get that rectified now.
Okay, please let's wait. Let's wait a minute. So that Drew, you can handle that.
Lord Jesus, I can't find you, man.
You can't find what? Maybe you should log out and log in. Drew, log out and log in. Okay?
Hello, I can see you, but not your screen. I can see you now as a person, but I can't see your screen.
Wow.
Yep. Just ask a question. Can you throw a question to the class if my experience is different from any other person, please?
Please, can you guys see my screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Drew, they are seeing my screen. Why are you not seeing my screen?
No. Okay, let me log out and log in as well.
Please, please. Even Victoria can see my screen, but Chemere cannot see my screen. Chemere, log out and log in, please. Log out and log in. because what I want to do now will be beneficial for you, okay? Log out and log in. I will just wait a minute. Log out and log in. So color picker is even here because I used to use it a lot. So
Okay, I can see your screen now. Thank you.
great. So you can see color picker, right? If you can see color picker, give me a thumbs up. Color picker. Akin, you can't see it.
I
See
can see
color
it.
picker online. Can you see color picker? No. Hey. But did you see what I just typed now? Did you see what I just typed? Wait. Did
No,
you see what
ma.
I see my screen? Oh my God. Give me a minute. But you can see Power BI, right?
Yep. I can see.
Give me a minute.
You have more than a minute, ma.
All right. Let me do it inside. Okay, Chemere, I'm hearing you. Chemere,
Yes, ma'am. Please, I want to ask a question.
I'm listening.
Yeah, with regards to the Power BI interface, I didn't get what you said because I was having my laptop up, so I
Wait,
didn't get.
Did you follow from the beginning? Because I called your name close to 5 minutes. You were not responding to me.
Yeah, my system went off, so that was one.
Oh, don't
So I
worry.
just-
Let me explain this to them. I will run for you, okay? Let me just explain this to them, okay? Okay, you can see my screen now, right?
Yep.
Good. So color, good. Color picker. Your enter. Now you can see it, right? You can see it. All right. Just don't worry. Just follow. I will explain it again. Good. Now now you can see color picker from any image instantly. So if you see any color anywhere that you like, you can just screenshot it. When you screenshot it, just come here and insert the color, the image. All right. You can insert the image here. But if you feel like no, I there is no image and I did not see any image to screenshot, there are different colors here that you can just pick. Okay? Please, if you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. If you understand, give me a thumbs up. If you don't understand, let me see the thumbs up. If you understand, give me a thumbs up. Good. Use your image. Basically, what I mean is that you might be going through online, going through a lot of things, and you see a color blend that you like. You see something that you like. You see a color that you like, maybe a picture, an image that you like. Screenshot it, and you feel like, if I combine this image for my dashboard will make sense. Screenshot it, save it. Now, when you want to do your dashboard, okay, and you're thinking of colors, which color will I use? Just come here, bring in that image. Let me bring in one image so that I will show you guys. Let me bring in one image, upload image. So I will show you guys. We'll do a practical upload image. Okay, you go here. So this is just giving you different options for colors so that your dashboard will not be boring. I don't like boring dashboard. dashboard that when they see you don't have any color, you don't know about colors, and come up. Good. So let me see the color that I will pick. Let me see what I will pick. Let me see. What can I pick? What can I pick? Oh, that we use to explain this. Okay. I want to bring in one dashboard that I've built. This dashboard is not really fine, but I don't want Victoria to laugh at me. Let me bring it in. Let me bring it in. Can you hear me? Can you see my screen? Please give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen, please. Can you see my screen? Good. Victoria, if you laugh at me, All right, great. So now this is how you can pick color from here. Go to this. Now, when you click on this, did you see something change here? The heads changed. Your RGB changed. Please, if you notice something, just give me a thumbs up. If you notice what's happening here, if I click here, if I click this blue now, did you see my color change? Please give me a thumbs up. Is it only Queensley that saw it? Please, you guys should respond. All of you, you saw what happened now? Good. Now, what you will now do is copy this. I've copied it, right? Simple, copied. Then I will now come to my Power BI. I'll come to my Power BI. Then Control V. Did you see the color immediately comes up? Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I just did. Good. So you see that any color that you like, you can. Victoria, you didn't see what I did. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back. So Victoria, this is the image I inserted into Color Picker. All right. Then go to this blue. You see this cross. Did you see this cross icon? Did you see this cross icon, Victoria?
Yes, I can
Victoria,
see it.
did you see? Good. Now, when you click on this, any color that you want to bring in, just click on it. Now, when you click on it, it will come up here. Then copy it. You can see this double triangle, double square.
Yes.
Click on it. Immediately, you've copied it. Then come to your Power BI. Highlight it. Then Control V. Simple. The color immediately is added into your team colors.
What if I mean,
If you
how
understand,
did you not paste it?
your hex. This is hex. 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 Now go to the image. Did you see hex here? Hex, right?
Yes, I
You
see
can
it.
use RGB. You can use HSS, but I love using hex. HES. Copy it. You can copy it like this. Control C.
Yes.
Come to your Power BI. Come to your Power BI here. Control V. Simple.
Okay. Yes, I can see it now. Thank
Please, if you
you.
understand it now, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Beautiful. Everybody understands it, right? Good. So this is how you can add colors to your teams, and your dashboard will be looking fine. You just be trying out different colors that are beautiful. But just like I said, if you're not someone that is good with colors, just go to the colors that Power BI already have for you, which is here, and pick the colors that favors you. Or you can go to here, browse for teams. When you browse for teams, you will see dashboard that other people have built. You go through it. If you like the color of their dashboard, you can copy it. Take it to your color picker. Take it to color picker and copy the color code. Do you understand me? Only Queensland or Biageri. Akin,
We
have
can
I
solve if you
solved
are
your
using. Sorry to barge in on you. If you are using a team gallery or from your view and desktop, how do I copy it now? Like, can you show us to copy it to the, I don't know, like using this column, how can I copy it to my dashboard?
okay?
If
There's
you get
nothing like
me.
view. There's nothing like view desktop. This is Queensley, right?
No, Victoria.
Victoria is view tab. I've explained
Okay.
it. I said all these things here are called tabs. Home tab, insert tab, modeling tab, view tab. So that when you're saying something, you are saying the right thing. And please,
All
I'm
right.
trying to go report and dashboard. I won't say dashboard again when it comes to desktop.
Power
Remember,
BI.
I told you guys yesterday that in Power BI desktop, what we call dashboard is what? Reports. True or false? Give me a thumbs up. Yesterday, I told you guys what we call dashboard in Power BI desktop is report. So I won't use dashboard again. So that I told you guys a report can only become a dashboard when it's published in Power BI service. True or false? When it's published in Power BI service, good. So when I say report, you people are meant to understand what I mean. So now let me answer Victoria. Victoria, right? Let me answer your question. Now let's click on let's choose this one. Let's choose it. So assuming that there are reports here, maybe you've already bring in your visuals, it will automatically change your visuals for you. But since we don't have any visual yet, okay, that's why we are seeing a dark background. But you can see that what we pick has a dark background, right? Give me a thumbs up. Did you see that it has a dark background? Give me a thumbs up. So that's why our background change. All right. So you see these other colors that are inside it is how your visuals will be. So if you're someone that you don't know how to manage colors, you don't know how to combine colors, don't worry, Power BI got you. Please, do you understand what I mean? Do you understand me? And if we want to go back, just click on this. Understood one thing from when we start to now, that there are the tabs, that these words up here are called tabs. Why? The ones that are under tabs are called ribbon. So this area, the home tab, the insert tab, this area here is called tab, and the area under the tab is called ribbons. Please, if you understand what I've taught you guys till now, let me see a thumbs up. If you understand what I've taught you guys till now, let me see a thumbs up. So when we start creating reports, I don't want reports that will look like village people. I don't want reports that I will see and I will say, I will shout, God forbid. Because I've shown you guys where to get colors, how to get colors. All right. Remember color picker. If you think that color picker is not enough, go to color palette. Color palette. PLETTE. Color palette. Color palette will give you, will mix different colors for you and position them for you like themes. So you don't have an excuse like, I don't know how to mix colors. So you don't have that excuse when it comes to learning with me, because I'm going to give you options where you can pick your colors. So if you understand what I mean, give me your thumbs up. So only Chiemelie, Queensley, and Obiageli understand what I said. The others, okay? Oh, Chukukere have joined us. Chukukere, how are you doing? How are they? Hello. Chukukere, how was your day today? Hello.
Fine, sorry, I was trying to mute.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you. Thank you.
Please, if you are confused again, let me see your thumbs up. Is any of you confused? None. You understand this, right? Jesus, what's wrong with your network? Jesus, what's wrong with your network? Jesus.
My network is so terrible. I don't know. It's just
Yeah.
been pushing me out and in. From when I was about to share my screen till the thing just started misbehaving. It's just been going in and out. So I'll watch the video to see what I missed.
Okay. So sorry, okay? So sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, guys. So we are talking about Optimize tab. So under Optimize, we have the refresh visual, we have the performance analyzer, and apply all slicer button. Don't worry, you're going to understand all this as we proceed. Now we have the help tab where you can learn training videos. Yes, Power BI has opportunity for you to learn watching their videos. And also we have the community. Power BI has this community like you where you can just ask questions. You can come and ask anybody question. You can join their community. And if you're confused about anything, you can drop question in the community. People will answer it for you. And also you can see other people's work that can motivate you to do better. Yes. And also Power BI has Power BI developers. Now, some people will say, what is Power BI developer? I don't know. If any of you understand what Power BI developer means, let me see your thumbs up. If you understand what Power BI developer means, let me see your thumbs up. Power BI developer. I don't know. Maybe you've gone on LinkedIn. You will see Power BI developer. Maybe you go to X. You see I'm a Power BI developer. It's only Chemele that does not understand it. That means all of you understand what Power BI developer means, right? Queensley no. Jesu no. Akin no. So the others. Oh, Inusa Dual understands it. So when you start building visuals, maybe after your mining, your other analysis process, and you build your visuals, you are a Power BI developer. Okay? Some people will say, I need a Power BI developer, and you will start running back because you don't know what it means. As long as you're already building and creating dashboards here on Power BI and solving business problems, you're a Power BI developer. Okay, some can also be a visualization expert. So data analysis have various areas. As we proceed, you will see all of these areas so that you will know what you are good at and know what to choose for yourself. Okay, so we have the consulting services, the guided learning. I've talked about this. So that is it for the tab and ribbons. Now, we are going to be talking about the views. We are going to be talking about the views. We have, before it was 3 views here. They've now added 2 more views, making it 5. They added it that was late last year. They added TMDL, but they added DAX early last year, but they added TMDL, I think last 3 months. That is when they added this TMDL. So we are going to go through them one after the other and know what it's all about. Now, the first one is report view. This is the report view. This is the report view. This is the report view. Please, if you understand, if you are seeing it, let me see your thumbs up. This is the report view. Okay, good. Today's class is dull. I'm not liking it. Should I stop and let's talk about it? It's dull, and if a class is dull, it's going to be bothering not only the student but also the tutor. So why is today's class dull? What is happening, guys? What is happening? Why are we dull today? Okay, why are we dull? Was the day too stressful like that? Was your day that stressful?
Maybe we lost because we lost that much.
Oh, Nigeria, Morocco. Abi, it's Nigeria, Morocco, right?
Yes.
Oh, Victoria will say hunger. So match, hunger,
For me, it's network.
network.
Oh,
What else? Match, hunger, network. What else? Which other problem do we have? So that we know how to handle the problems one after the other. For the match, it is not today Nigeria have been losing. No, it is not today.
forgot.
And
Jesus Christ.
I've made peace with myself when it comes to Nigerian match. You know, I love football, but I've gotten this mindset that football is a game. Anybody can win, anybody can lose. Because there was a time I'm always feeling sick when Chelsea lose. Like Chelsea, they were winning Chelsea back to back. And the thing is that my friends immediately Chelsea lose like this. My friends will call me, "Hello D, they just win now. You watch the ball?" I'll be like, "No, I didn't." No, you watch them now. You be Chelsea fan now. You watch them. They just. So, it was terrorizing for me, and at a point, I was taking drugs because of Chelsea, and they are not giving me money. They were not giving me money. But when Chelsea win like this, or maybe my friend that is a Man U fan, they lose. Me, I do return match. I will also call her and do the same thing. But Chelsea was losing back to back. And before the match, I used to make mouth. I'd be like, "Nah, this match, we will do this. We will do this." I was Chelsea fan right from Shevchenko time. So you should know that I don't be Chelsea fan since. But now I don't do like that again because I want my sanity. So please, let's just forget about that game and concentrate. Please, it's just a game. We win, we lose. If we win, everywhere will be hot. Everywhere. And the one thing about Nigeria, when they win like this, they will be insulting the other countries, and they will be creating content to insult those other countries. Now they've win them. Everywhere is quiet, so we are enjoying the serenity. Okay, for hunger, Victoria, Mama, I'm hungry too, but after this class I will go and eat. I'm just coming back. All right. So please let's make this class entire. I love energy. When you're dull, you're also dulling my spirit. Okay? Please give me a thumbs up to encourage me. You guys should not dull my spirit. If you dull my spirit, some things I will start forgetting it. And I don't want to forget anything for you guys so that you will have the core knowledge. All right. So let's move on to we say that this is our report view. So this is where we call this place canvas. This is where we build our report. This is where we build our report. Now, we are moving to the table. Before I will come back. You're going your table to view. All right. Now we are going to the model view. I don't know how many of you have heard about data modeling. All right. Have you heard about data? Queensley, great. Dual data. Maybe in Google, when you were learning Google Sheet, you must have heard about it. That is forming relationship between tables and managing the relationship. So you can even see the image here. So this is where you're going to model your data. This is the area where you're going to model your data. This is also the area where you are going to save your data. Yes, you can save your data set as import mode, or you can save your data set as direct query. So, or even as dual. As we proceed, you are going to see all these things. Now, this is your DAX. Now, for your DAX, this is where you can run query to create DAX functions. You can run query to create that functions here. Okay, maybe those people that are good with Python, or you can just run your query to create your DAX functions here. And this TDML that was just added, So this TDML is an editor that allows you to edit your models quickly. Okay, you can easily edit your models here. So as we proceed, these two, we might not go through these two, but these three, this review, report view, table view, and model view, we'll be using it a lot in our studies. Now, please, before I proceed, can someone explain what the report view is? Let me know that you guys are, what is the name? Queensley, can you explain what the report view is for? The report view, before we proceed. The report view. Oh, we don't have much time. The report view. Queensley, please be quick. Queensley. Can she not hear me? Okay, next person. Victoria, can you hear me? What is the report view for? Victoria. Can you guys hear me? Please give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. So why are they not hearing me? Obiagedi, can you tell me what report view is if they can't hear me? Obiagedi? Obiagedi? She's not here too.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, Queensley, I can hear you.
All right, sorry, it was network.
No problem.
For I think designing tables or something like that, graph tables.
No. Thank God I asked this question. This is used for creating your reports. This is where you create your reports. Remember, we said that in Power BI, reports are created. Then when published in Power BI service, it becomes dashboard. So this is where you create your report. This is where you create your triangle and you start putting in your visuals. Queensley, do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Good. Now, what of the table view? What is the table view for? Queensley, let me know whether you understand those two.
Sorry, I don't know what the table view is for.
Queensley, were you following us or you were busy doing? That's why I love you guys on your videos, though.
I was following, but my network was kind of disturbing me along the line, but I was still following.
All of us today is network, is where. So the table is the table that you import, maybe from Power Query, or you directly import maybe from Excel or Google or web. This is where it's going to display. Your table is going to display here, okay? This is where your table is going to display here. Or maybe you want to create a date column, a date table. This is where you can create your date table. If you want to create new table, this is where you can create your new table in Power BI desktop. Do you understand? Queensley, do you understand?
Yes, I understand, ma'am. Thank you.
What of the model view? Do you understand that? The model view.
No, sir, I don't understand.
Okay. The model view is where you create relationship between your tables. Where you create relationship between the tables using a connector. You see this line that goes down like this? It's called a connector. This line, this thin line that connects this table to this table is called a connector. Now, did you see this one? Did you see this circle? Did you see this circle? Yes. This is your filter. As we proceed, you know your cross filter. It can either be single or both. So when we proceed, you are going to see that. But just know that you create relationship in data model. And this relationship is created using connector. These lines are called connector. Please, if you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. So you create you create relationship between two tables using a connector. So please be noting the names so that when you're talking about Power BI, you'll be talking about Power BI like someone that knows it, not like someone that's you just be bringing in different cut and join. We don't want cut and join. We want you to be talking like experts. Please, if you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. Great. Now, so before we proceed, let's go back to the report view. And now we are going to talk about the panes. Let me bring them up. The data view, the visualization, and the format. Okay, good. Now, these are the panes. We have the data pane. Now, this data pane is where your tables are displayed. where you create measures. It's where you create measures, and it's where your tables are displayed. When you import table directly into Power BI desktop or from your Power Query editor, you are going to see your tables here. This is called the data pane. Now we have the visualization pane. This is where you can drag and drop your visuals. Remember yesterday we talked about drag and drop. So this is where you can drag and drop your visuals. You drag, you can see, you just click here, your visual will come up. You just click here, another visual will come up. Yes.
When you say data pane, is it pen as in PEN?
P-A-N-E, pen. P-A-N-E.
P-A-N-E, okay, thanks.
Yes, pen. All right. Now, this is the visualization pen. Now, this is called your... Please, can you guys still hear me? It's doing as if you can't hear me again. Can you hear me? Hello?
We can hear you.
We can hear you.
Can hear you.
You can hear me, right?
Yes, we
Oh,
can.
great. So this is your visualization pane. Good. You can see the different visuals that you can use. This is your start bar chart, your start column chart, your cluster bar chart. We are going to discuss these charts one after the other in the preceding class, okay? But I just want you to know the interface yet. Now, this is your format pane where you can tweak your visuals to what you want. You can change the color here. You can change your font size. You can rewrite your title here. And you have the properties, the visual and the properties, the advanced options. We have the header icon, the alternates, this alt text. You see, this alt text is for people that have they have screen reader problem, all these cognitive disabilities. There are people that they don't normally see well. Do you understand? So that alt text is where each visual that you place on your report, you just write on what that visual is all about. So this is so visual, and this is what is explaining. Just write it for them, and it's acceptable by Power BI. Like, it is a norm. Some people will just build visual and they will just leave the visual like that. Not Chukukere, I'm listening.
On my page, I have filters, visualization, and data pane. I don't have formats.
No, did you see the three icons there? There are three icons at the up. That's that visualization pane. There are three icons there. Did you see it?
No, mine is not like that. There's no.
Please, can you share your screen? Wait,
Okay.
Give me a minute. Let me turn off my screen. So that's stop sharing. Share your screen, please.
Okay. Confirm you can see.
Yes, I can.
Okay. So this is it. Now
The
I'm checking
filter,
it.
the data. Please, is there
Yes.
any icon by the left, by your right?
Now, if you click on this, it minimizes the data icon. Click
Like,
on this, minimizes
by
the
your right,
icon.
is there any other icons by your right? Just data visualization and filters.
Yes,
Okay,
see them.
expand them. Let me see. Expand it. Let me see.
Filters, visualization.
Which model are you using?
I downloaded from my Microsoft Store.
Click here. This is format. Click it.
Where?
Click on it. This icon here.
Which icon?
The one beside the build visual. The icon, the white icon that has brush icon attached to it. Yes. This is your format. Did you see it?
Oh, okay. So visualization here is sharing.
This is for your visuals, build visual, and this for your format.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Great. Please, which other person have this kind of Power BI interface? Yes. Now, your format, you can see Canva setting, Canva background. You can maybe your you see some people will tell you I went to PowerPoint and build my wireframe. So when they are talking about wireframe is like the background of your visual, the background before you start bringing in any visual. You create a background. If you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. You create a background first. You create a background. Good. Now that background that you create, good. The background that you create, some create their background in a PowerPoint, some create their background in Figma, okay? Because some create I create my background in 3 places. I can create my background in Power BI. I can create my background in PowerPoint. I can create my background in Figma. But I love Figma because Figma gives me the flexibility to add whatever I want to add. And PowerPoint also gives me the flexibility. But when you're building visual on PowerPoint, on Power BI desktop, you have to be good because if not, it will stress your life. It will drag your life. When you are building wireframe, it will drag your life. So some people PowerPoint and make it easy for themselves. Please, if you understand what I mean, let me see your thumbs up. Let me see your thumbs up. Great. So, Teresa, please, can you stop sharing?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So, let me go back. Thank you. So we've talked about the data pane. We talked about the visualization pane, the format pane. Now, this is your filter. So this filter pane, you can filter your whole report. You can filter just a visual, or you can filter your page. So there is report filter, there is visual filter, and there is page filter. As you proceed, you are going to see that. So these are filters. For example, you maybe let me assume that you're working on a sales data set, and the company said that they need top 5 products that are selling. So this is the area that you will go to run that analysis. All right. If you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. It's normal filter. Yeah, normal filter that you use in Google Sheets. Okay, so that will be all for. Okay, before I end, we can see that. Remember, I told you guys that Power BI, there's Power BI desktop and there's Power BI mobile. So this, you can see that we are watching Power going through the desktop view and the mobile view, so that when someone is going through my report mobile view, it will not be disturbing. So it's great for you to check the both and know how your report is positioned. Now you can see the page. There are different pages. If you want to add page, you can see the plus icon to add a new page. Good. You can add many pages as you want. All right. But I always advise that your dashboard or your report should not exceed 3. Don't do too many reports to confuse people. It should not exceed 3. Even if you are doing granular data analysis. Do you know what? If you know what is granular data analysis, let me see your thumbs up. If you know what is granular data analysis, It means when a stakeholders will tell you that they need a detailed analysis. Some people, that is when you see some people building like 3 reports, 4 reports. If you've seen it before, let me see your thumbs up. 4 reports, 3 reports. You've not seen? Some people build 4 reports, 4 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like one report here, the second one report, another one report, next one report, like 4 reports they will build it because the stakeholder, you build reports based on your stakeholders' needs. If the stakeholder tell you that they need detailed analysis, some build up to 3 reports for them, okay? So that they will see everything that they want to see that will help them to boost their revenue. Okay, so I'm done with the interface. If you understand this interface that I've taught, let me see your thumbs up. If you don't understand, please let me see your thumbs up down, because the most important thing is for everyone to understand what we are talking about. Okay, so if you don't understand, let me see your thumbs down. So everyone understands it, right? Everyone understands it, right? Good. Now we are moving to data types. We'll be moving to data types. So I'm going to use, someone wants to speak. Someone on mute to speak. Hello, is someone speaking? Hello.
Hi.
Is someone speaking?
No.
No. All right, guys. So I'm closing my Power BI now, and we'll be talking about data types. I'm closing my Power BI, but I wanted us to go to, let me just go to Power Query so that you just see the list of the data types. I will be explaining this one after the other instead of me saying it offhand. No, I don't want to do that. So although it's I don't know if it's going to, maybe it won't come up because it's meant to be here, but because there is no table yet, or let me use the one that has table already. Just give me a minute so that I will explain this. You will see the data types. Well, give me a minute. I don't want to say this data type offhand. I want you to be seeing it. Oh, your hotel data is here. I've already, let me use the hotel data. Should I use it? Yes, that is the best to use. Yes, that is the best to use. So let's use it and explain data type. Please, are you enjoying the class? Let me see your thumbs up if you are enjoying the class. So. Only Jesse is enjoying the class. Chemere, Chukuke, Queensley. That is great. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So let me open and let's see it. It's still loading. Don't save. Something is wrong.
Okay.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yep, but still loading. There's nothing on it at the moment. Nothing else.
It's saying still loading. Okay.
You've stopped sharing.
Yeah, I know.
Mhm.
You can see my screen now, right?
No, not yet.
Okay, speak. I can hear you. Victoria.
It's just your face. Your face. Okay, the screen is up now.
It's a mistake.
Okay. Your hotel stuff is not coming up, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this just to explain what I want you guys to see. Oh, okay. Mm, let's give it a minute.
Olokpa.
What did you say? I heard you. It's Holopa. Okay, so let me bring this stuff here so that's okay. Leadership feet. All right. So format, whole number, beautiful. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. But date is not here. Okay. Good. Can you see what I'm looking for? Can you see the data types we have in Power BI? Please give me a thumbs up if you can see it. Give me a thumbs up if you can see the data type, the whole number, the decimal number, the fixed decimal number, the date and time, the date, the time, the text, the true and false, the binary. Now we are going to go through it one after the other, okay? Now the first one is whole number, like your 1, your 2, your 3, they are your whole numbers. But if this whole number is inside a quote, okay? It's no longer a whole number, it's a test. Now look at this. Did you see this H column? Did you see this H column? Did you see this H column? This H column has numbers, right? It has numbers, right? Yes, but it's a test because it's called alphanumeric. It's called alphanumeric. So it's a test. It's not a number. Because you can see that tests are attached to it. Is that not it? Give me a thumbs up. You can see tests. You can see 46 and above. Yes, tests are attached to it. So it's alphanumeric. Good. Now, whole numbers are numbers that are just the number. Just the number. Like you can see 61. Now let's move on. Now, we are still covering data type. Now we have the date data type. This is not like your normal date, like this. You can see the date here. So this is month, day, and year. That is the way I formatted my system. If you want to change your dates, you can go and change it. But this is my own is month, day, and year. Is a US standard. Month, day, and year. Okay. That's how I formatted it. And now, if you check here, you can see the time data type. We have the whole number data type, decimal, fixed data, decimal number, date and time data type, date data type, time. Then we have the text. The text is the string. Okay, is the string, and we can see them like this column. Row change over time, positive, neutral, you can see it. Now, we have the true and false. That is the Boolean, true and false. It shows whether a value is true or false. If you understand what I mean, give me a thumbs up. The data type shows whether, yes, a value is true or false. Then we have the binary. This is a higher level, the 1 and the 0. So we are not going to talk about the binary here. So all you need to know is the whole number, the decimal number, the fixed decimal number, the date and time, the date, the time, the text, and the true and false. And please, it's very important that you use the right data type so that your reports will not break. Now, let us go to, if you understand what I've just explained, let me see your thumbs up. If you're what I've just explained now, please let me see your thumbs up so that I will know that you're following. Good. Excuse me. Now let's go to the class. The class, we have some things that we want to establish there. Give me a minute. Oh, great. So we'll be talking about understanding different data types and when working with data for several reasons. Okay, so we are going to talk about why we should use the right data type, why we should use the correct data type. So you are going to be reading it one after the other. The first person, Jesu, please, can you read the number 1? Why we should use the right data type? Please read the number 1 for us. Jesu, can you hear me? Hello, Jesu, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Why is you sharing your screen?
I can hear.
Yes.
I can hear you.
So Woody. Okay, wait. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. You can see what I'm sharing now, right?
Yes, it came up now. It has disappeared again.
I know, I removed it. Okay, you can see it now, right? You can see?
Yes.
Good. So Jesu, let's go. Please read the first one. Why we should use the right, or rather the correct data type when doing our analysis. The first one, just read. Jesu, can you hear me? Jesu. Okay, the next person, Quinsley, can you read for us? Why we should use the correct data type? Please read the first one.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
1, data integrity and accuracy. Choosing the correct data type ensures that the data is stored accurately and maintains its integrity. Using inappropriate data types may lead to data loss, rounding errors, or unexpected behavior in calculations.
Thank you so much for that beautiful reading. So look, just like I said, when you use the wrong data type, it can break your report. and you don't want that. And another thing is that you want your data to be stored accurately. You want your data to be standardized well. You want your transformation to be okay. So that's why it's very important, so that your work, you will not work, and when you think that you're doing the right thing and you are seeing errors, and you don't know that the error that you're seeing is because you use the wrong data type. Okay, you don't want that. So that's why it's very important, when you see a column that is whole number, use whole number. When you see a column that is test, use a test. When you see a column that is a date, use a date data type. When you see a column that is decimal, use a decimal. When you see money, for those of you that like money, use currency. There is currency data type. You will see that in Power BI query, currency data type. Okay, when you see money, revenue, expenses, use a currency data type. Please, if you understand, let me see your thumbs up. Good. Now the second one. Chemere, can you read the second one?
I can read now.
Okay, just your back. All right, please read.
2. Storage efficiency. Each data type requires a specific amount of storage space. By selecting the most suitable data type, you can optimize storage efficiency. For example, using integer data type instead of floating point numbers or whole numbers reduces storage requirements.
So which means using the correct data type can help to optimize storage efficiency, because when your storage mode in your Power BI, when your internal storage is kind of filled up. For instance, in your phone, when your storage is filled up in your phone, what happened? Someone should answer that. Akin, when your phone storage is filled up, what happens to the phone? When your phone storage is filled up, what happens?
It will be malfunctioning. Like at some point
Let's use the normal word that everybody will understand. What will happen to the phone?
It will be hanging.
Beautiful. That is the English. Hanging. Let's not speak English here. When your phone is filled up, it will be hanging. So when your Power BI storage is filled up, your Power BI go dey hang. That is the pure definition. Your Power BI go dey hang. So that's why there is this English, optimize storage efficiency. That is the English for hanging. Optimize storage. That is just the English where we want to use cover up. All right. What is hanging? So you don't want, you want to open your report for your dashboard, because when you publish it to your Power BI service, you want to open it for stakeholder. And 45 minutes, dashboard never open. 15 minutes, dashboard never open. And you'll be telling your stakeholder, please, sir, be patient. I'm working on it. Dashboard never open. Why? Because need for you to optimize. There's a need for you to so that your work will you, Mr. Jewel. You gave us a thinking emoji. Please, I saw it.
Okay. It's around what you are talking about when the storage efficiency, when the language you use is that hanging, sometime, and then you have to think of a way to get that sorted out. That's just why I put up that, nothing more.
Okay, you like the hanging word?
Yes.
It's just for easy understanding. Okay, don't go and use hanging. No. It's just for easy understanding so that you understand this English. Optimize storage efficiency for work optimization, so that your Power BI, because it can be annoying when your Power BI is going through all this hanging stuff, malfunctioning. It can be annoying. And do you know that you can stay close to 2 hours, 3 hours, you've not done anything, you are just there waiting. At a point, you can get frustrated and just delete it and download it again. Yes. Oh, someone said my network is bad. Is that true? Give me a thumbs up if my network is bad. Please give me a thumbs up if my network is bad. Oh, my network is bad. It's bad. Please, I want yes or no. My network, give me a thumbs up, like up. If it's bad, give me a thumbs up. Let me know it's bad. Quinsley, why do you say my network is bad? All right, so number 3, Obiageli, please read number 3 for us. Let's move. Number 3. Okay. Number 3, Obiageli.
Query performance. Correctly defining data types can significantly impact query performance. Databases and analytics tools can leverage indexing and optimization techniques based on the data type, leading to faster query execution time.
Look, your network was cutting off. Can you please read it again? We did not hear you.
Okay, query performance. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Correctly defining data types can significantly impact query performance. Databases and analytics tools can leverage indexing and optimization techniques based on the data type, leading to faster query execution times.
Thank you. Remember that when I was discussing about data model for you guys, I thought, okay, who raised their hand? Who is that? Who is that? I heard a bing. Jesu, I'm listening. Jesu, talk.
Okay, sorry for the last one that you were trying to explain, the storage efficiency. I wanted to confirm. So, what is the requirement or the recommended storage space to run Power BI? Does it have a recommended some softwares will say you must have this RAM, this hard disk size available for it to run. So so that we don't have hanging Power BI, is there a recommended space that you must have on your system to be able to run it efficiently?
That is why we are talking about optimization. All right. You have to know some things that you need to do so that your Power BI will not hang, because Power BI already have its own space. So it's not like this thing you say, there is this particular space. No, there are some things that you need to do to optimize your work so that it won't affect when you're building your reports, or when you want to bring in your reports or bring in your data set or do anything in the Power BI desktop space. Okay, so one of those things that we've talked about is knowing the right data type to use. There are other things that you will know about as we proceed, but for now, use the right data set. Use the right data type. Do you understand? Use the right data type. Good. So that you will not, it's not like your phone. Okay? It's not like your phone. And you cannot say, I will delete this report. What if this report is for a stakeholder that they will need it? Is running on automation? Will you go and delete someone's work because your Power BI is hanging? No. So you have to know how to optimize your Power BI so that it will not go through all those hanging stuff, and so that you can be able to run your work effectively. Do you understand, Jesu? Okay. Obiageli, thank you for the beautiful reading. I appreciate. So we were talking about query performance, and we say correctly defining data types can significantly impact query performance. Databases and analytics tools can leverage indexing and optimization techniques based on the data type, leading to faster query execution time. Okay, this query performance, it's a broad one. This number 3 is a broad one that you are going to see as we proceed. You will see how to leverage indexing and optimization techniques. All right. So the number 4, data validation and consistency. Chemere, can you read it for us? Data validation and consistency.
Okay, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Okay, data validation and consistency. Specifying the correct data type helps enforce data validation and consistency. It ensures that only valid values are stored in a particular column, reducing the risk of errors and maintaining data quality.
Thank you so much. So in Power Query Editor, we have what is called the column quality. The column quality have error. It has space for error. It has space. I meant to show you guys that, but that will be in the next class. But let me tell you, in Google Sheet, you guys learned about data validation, right? You learned about data validation in Google Sheet. Yes. So what is data validation? Chemere, you're the one reading. So tell us, what is data validation? Chemere, what is data validation? He's not here again. Okay, Obiageli, you raise up your hand. What is data validation? Is my network having problem? Chemere, do you want to speak? Can you guys be answering me?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, let's say data validation is like a process of making sure that you have a correct set of data, it's complete, it's accurate. So that's like a data validation, and it can be used to like for what you want to do to analyze properly.
Okay, so your data type, using correct data type is under enforcing data validation. So you can't say that your data is validated if a column does not have the right data type. If you understand, give me a thumbs up. You can't say your data is validated if a particular column does not have the right or the correct data type. Your data will not be consistent. And if your data set is not consistent, you are going to have a problem, not only with your report, you are going to have your problem with your storage. So this is to tell you the importance of using the correct data type. You are reducing risk of errors and you are maintaining data quality. That's why in Power BI Query Editor, which you will learn in the preceding class, you will see column quality. The column, there has to be column quality, which means using one of the things involving column quality is using the right data set. It's very, very important. All right. Now we have the 5th one, calculation accuracy. Teresa, please read for us. Calculation accuracy. We have 15 minutes to, I have just 15 minutes to leave here. Calculation accuracy. Teresa, please read for us. She's not here again. Akin, please read for us.
I'm here. I was trying to mute.
Okay.
Calculation accuracy. Different data types behave differently in calculations. Understanding these behaviors is crucial for accurate data analysis and reporting. For example, performing mathematical operations on integers versus decimals may yield different results due to rounding.
If who understand this, give me a thumbs up if you understand. Jesse, you understand? Teresa, you understand? Akin, you understand? So Teresa, can you explain to us what does it mean?
Okay, so in terms of accuracy, when you're using different data type or you're using the wrong data type, like the example that has been cited there, if you are carrying out a mathematical operation on your data, and then you have normal whole numbers versus and you're multiplying or you're adding with decimals, you can have a difference in figures, you can have over calculation, maybe increase in the number that you're not supposed. So that is why it's important that if you are dealing with decimals, let your column work with decimals. If like 2 decimal places all around, 1 decimal around. If you are dealing with whole numbers, let your column be whole numbers so that you don't have an error in your calculation.
Thank you. If you are dealing with decimals, let your column type be decimal column type. But if you want a fixed data type, because of your storage, you can use a fixed decimal number. You want a fixed, maybe you want the decimal rounded to 2 figures. You can use a fixed decimal type, data type, all right? So if you're using an integer, you know what is an integer? Please give me a thumbs up if you know what is an integer. Good, numeric data type, yes. So if you are using a whole number, then use a whole number data type. If you are using a decimal, use a decimal data type. If you are using money, if you have money column, use a currency data type. See, I'm shouting it because I know how important this thing can frustrate you. That is why I'm shouting it like this. Now, the last one, data presentation. Inusa, please read for us the 6th one. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so data presentation. Data type influence how data is presented in visualizations and reports. Choosing appropriate data type helps in creating meaningful, visually appealing representations of data. For instance, using data type allows for time-based visualization.
Thank you for that beautiful reading. So guys, imagine that the column that has date, you went and used test as the data type. Okay? And now you want to visualize peak periods in a business setting. You want to visualize peak periods to know when there is traffic in a particular shop. That means you want to, because that is why you are analyzing peak periods to know when there is traffic in a particular shop or in a particular company, whether it's website or offline. Now, and the column that has date that you will use for analysis now is using test data type. What do you think will happen? Jesu, what do you think will happen?
It won't be able to pick it because you didn't format the column properly. So it won't see it as a date, and so it won't be able to map out the report as a time series report.
Do you understand? It will be a time-based visual because it doesn't understand. It will be looking for date. What is this one saying? Which date is in your column? Me, I don't understand you. That is what Power BI will be telling you. And you can't even perform time-based intelligence analysis. When I'm talking about time-based intelligence, it's when you forecast. You can only forecast with dates, true or false. Give me a thumbs up. You can only forecast with dates, true or false. Now, imagine the date. Maybe you built a date table that you will use for forecasting. It's now test. Can it forecast? Your table, your visualization, can it forecast? True or false? Your thumbs up. Can it forecast? No, it can't. So you see that it's very important, like very, very important for you to use the correct data type. And that's why that place says that choosing appropriate data types helps in creating meaningful and visually appealing representation of the data. Because using data types allows for time-based visualization. So if you understand data type in general, like we've talked today, please I need your thumbs up to know that we've learned practical examples of why we should use the correct data type, because we don't want to stress ourselves. Yes. So today we've covered 6, 7, and 8. So can someone just give me a summary of what we did today? Quinsley, give us a summary of what we did today before we round up. Is Quinsley here? Quinsley, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
We can hear you, but I think we lost her.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Said you should, okay.
An overview, just a summary of the entire class. What happened today? Yeah. I think she mutes the highlight. She can unmute and so that we can hear. Or...
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Can't hear you,
think
ma.
you are
Can you
muted.
please?
You are muted.
You're muted. Can you unmute your mics, ma? Please.
Can Quinsley talk? Is Quinsley talking?
Aha, we can hear her now better.
Quinsley? Okay, another person. Victoria. They are not here. Obiageli? Obiageli?
Good evening.
Good evening.
We started this class with you started with the showing us about Power BI interface, where you highlighted the title bar, the tabs and the ribbons, the different tabs and their different ribbons. You also showed us the themes where we can like pick out colors for our report. You showed us the desktop view and the mobile view. So like when we are done with our report, and let's say we do it with our desktop and we want to see how it would look like with a mobile phone, there's also that option. You showed us the visualization option, the filter option, and the format option. Yes, the format option. So from there we went to the different data types, yes, where you told us about the text, the strings, decimal, data.
Text and strings are the same thing.
Okay. Then showed us those types of data, the data types and how it's important for us to like know the kind of data types we are using so that we can have accurate reports, because when we use different data types, they might affect our reports badly. Then from there we ended with the different data types and why it is important to use the accurate data types for, let's say, because it helps us with storage issues. It helps us also with like accuracy. It helps us with calculation accuracy as well. There's also data validation and presentation. So it's important that as we are using Power BI, knowing the type of data we use is like one of the key things, because if we can get the type of data we use correctly, let's say we have done 50% of the job. The end.
Are you true?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, can we give a round of applause? Please, your emojis, a round of applause, please. If I did not see your clapping, you will do summary. It's only Chuku. It's only Teresa. If I not see your clap, you will do your own summary. It's not that Quincy started clapping. Did you see that Quincy was here all along? Quincy is not clapping because she doesn't want to do summary. All right, Quincy, can you tell me the site that I said that you can go to pick colors? The site that you can go to pick colors. The site.
Picasso or something. Picasso.
No, you are not you. Quincy.
Ma, you're talking to me.
Yes, I'm talking to you.
You said the site we can go and pick colors.
Yes.
I think it's a color pickles now. Something.
Now you be pickle. When did I say pickle? See.
Lovely.
Color picker. Picker.
Sorry, color picker.
All right, no problem. So where can you go and get where can you go? Which tab can you go to get teams? Which tab can you go to pick teams that you will use for your reports? Which tab? Is it the home tab? Is it the view tab? Who will answer that now? Akin, is it the home tab or the view tab? That you can go to the view tab. Good. Now, where can you pick your visuals? Which pane can you pick your visuals? Jewel. Jesu, not you. I'm not calling you. Jewel, which pane can you go to pick your visuals? Which one? Jewel, we are listening. You're no longer here.
Sorry. I saw Optimize or something. I think that's where I saw that, if I'm not mistaken.
No, which pane can you go? We have the format pane, we have the visual pane, we have the data pane. So where can you go to pick your visuals?
Visual, I think I saw here visualization, if I'm not mistaken. Visualization, if I'm not mistaken.
Visualization pane. Good.
Yes.
Good. Now, who can mention? Okay, we will now mention the different data types that we have, just generally before we conclude. So, Teresa, can you mention one? The different data types. Mention one for us.
Text.
Akin, the next one.
Boolean, true or false.
Boolean, good. Joel, the next one.